Hello, this is Miguel from the Mo Mechanic 757. You know how I get down working with a customer. I just changed an alternator. This is what happens when your alternator is bad. There is a reserve time on 130 minutes, which is right there, and that's probably what the customers were running on. But that's not the problem. I already changed the alternator. If you look inside these holes, there's supposed to be distilled water with these acid mixed up until a quarter of into the top. So about that much up to the top. AutoZone is the one that sold this battery, and what they're going to do is they're going to tell the customer we're going to recharge it. That is not a great idea long term. They can recharge it for the rest of their lives, but as soon as there's a cold snap, they will not put distilled water in here or any of the acid mixture. They're just going to recharge it. So you're going to have a bare minimum charge during the summer, which is going to get you by, but as soon as it gets below 40 degrees, this battery is going to go bad. So long term, I tell the customer, go take this battery back and move on. As you can see, the acid is way down there in the distilled water. This is just a mechanic tip. Everybody does what they do differently. Everybody's going to have what they're going to say. I really don't care. I've been doing this for over 30 years, and none of my customers return to me because I give them bad advice. I try to do things long term. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave positive comments. Thank you.